Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Aspiring Entrepreneur. I'm your host, Hamza Chowdhury, and welcome to another episode of a 1-minute recap where we choose a stock and we discuss the price action and our predictions and do a little technical analysis on how the stock performed. Before I do so, I'd like to ask a favor of you. If you are new to the channel and you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really does help the channel. We're a 100% free content channel, so anything that you could do to help, I'd appreciate it. So with that, let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this timer here. Okay. All right. So with that said, you can watch our last video where we actually predicted the Apple bottom, which was, we called it here at 107.50. And so we retested that twice as the market was selling off, and we had a bunch of negative momentum. As you can see, we're now starting to turn positive in the MACD, and you can also see that the RSI is pointing up, and that you can also see that the 20-day moving average is up. And what you can see is that the last sort of event, trading day before the major iPhone event, we had this massive gap up, and today we had hit our 112.60 support, which we've had previously in this gap up, and we solidified that once again, and we traded up and hit this sort of 50-day moving average as our high. So I wouldn't be surprised as we enter Thursday, Friday, and coming into Monday for the event, if we retest coming into Tuesday's event the high of 125, where I do feel like we'll have some trouble. So my next prediction will be that we'll trade between 120 and 125 heading into Tuesday's event. Okay guys, with that said, good luck, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Thank you.